All right, so we are rope dropping Animal Kingdom today.
We're a little late for rope drop.
We are a little bit late for rope drop, but yeah, excited.
One of the best perks of staying on site is early entry or rope drop. Come with us as we rope drop Animal Kingdom and see how we can make this the best morning ever.
All right, so we are rope dropping Animal Kingdom today.
We're a little late for rope drop.
We are a little bit late for rope drop, but yeah, excited.
You wanna go ride? You wanna go hop in?
Hi. So you could be walking into the park right now, rope dropping Animal Kingdom. It is currently 7:40. We're 10 minutes late. But instead of making ground, my wife is getting her coffee because, let's be honest, if we don't have caffeine, are we even going to be human? There, the female lion has brought her caffeine.
Tastes like $1 million.
That's really good. Oh my gosh. Wow. July 6th, 2022. The guy asked, out of all people, me.
Yeah.
The guy who doesn't remember the birthday on a random day. Forget about at the
When
park.
it matters.
When it matters. Why it matters is because if you are 3 and above, you require a ticket. But Lucas is 2, and so he doesn't, but I don't remember his birthday. I'm terrible with that, but anyway.
I mean, most of the time they don't ask. I think just because he's wearing the magic band, so they thought he might have to scan in.
That was one big tree.
Are we still headed to Pandora?
Yeah.
Let's see what the wait times are like.
Headed to Navi River Journey because that's typically a ride that gets a longer wait time because it's a newer ride and it's one of the nicer dark rides. But you said the wait time is only what, 10 minutes right now?
Yeah, and well,
What time is it? 7:40?
it's 7:55.
7:55. So 25 minutes past rope drop at Animal Kingdom. Rope drops at 7:30. But we'll tell you how long the line actually is. So one of the things people do is rope drop Flight of Passage, which is a multi...
Individual lightning lane, so you're paying for a single pass on the ride.
Right. So instead of paying for that ride, you can just rope drop it, or you can pay for that one and rope drop Navi River, which right now it says standby entrance is 10 minutes. So let's see. Entry time. You can't read it, but it says 8:01. Absolutely crazy seeing all of these lanes empty. How was that?
It was good. Let's hear from Lucas. Lucas, what did you think of that ride? It was so fun? Yeah.
So it's 8:13 right now, which means in exactly 12 minutes we got on the ride and off the ride. And the ride was about a 5.5 minute ride. And so if you calculate that, it was a standby entrance of 10 minutes, but it only took us like 6 to get there.
Yeah, it was really fast and it was really fun and it was a great way to start the day.
It's crazy how the sounds change in the speaker system. Like they had like Avatar-esque sounds playing, and Now they're kind of switching it over to the safari a little bit.
Yeah, this is pretty.
Wow.
Which ride are you waiting for?
I would say for the one where you see real lions.
Oh, we're gonna go see them right now.
Right now,
Actually, speaking of that, we're gonna come back to this, but this is my favorite show in all of Walt Disney World, Orlando, Florida, the Festival of the Lion King. Okay, this is the one thing Disney does so well. We're just moving from one ride to the next, but in style. You gotta love that. Absolutely have to love that.
So the line has crept up. It is now 55 minutes just by the time we walked over.
Yikes.
On the left-hand side are some bongos. Bongos are known as the ghost of the forest, as they are very rarely seen compartments.
Oh my gosh, we're
So they spend most of the day eating to fill those compartments, and they only. Have you seen that giraffe?
yeah.
Oh my god! And Colby cattle look very big and very heavy.
Antelopes.
Are the official emblem of the Harambe.
So we just came up the Kilimanjaro Safari. We got on at 8:25 and we just came off at 9:21, so almost an hour wait time. They were pretty accurate with the timing on that one. But what did you think of the ride? Yeah? Yeah, it was good. It was good. Chill, relax, getting to see some animals, coming earlier in the day. So making sure you're rope dropping it is important, because since it's cooler in the morning here in Florida, more animals actually are out. We got to see lions, we got to see the cheetahs, we got to see giraffes, we got to see elephants, we got to see a lot of animals, which is great. Guys, we're sitting at the front to see the show.
Can you go somewhere else?
How did we get the front seats?
You got picture Kristen. She just came up to so you guys want to see the show? And I'm like, yeah. And she goes, do you have a lightning lane? I'm like, no. She goes, would you like priority seating? I'm like, yeah. And then she just pulled us in.
That's amazing. Do you guys remember what we're gonna see?
We're going to see Timon and Pumbaa. And they're just saying, Hakuna Matata. And then we're going to see Simba. And they're going to see...
One of the things I love about this show is the amazing light work that goes on. Like, it's a full array of tech here that makes the show pretty awesome. And also I love that no matter what seat you have in the house, you always have a good seat because it's a circle stage.
My friends, you're going to come here.
Hi!
Yeah, section.
Yay!
Everyone, get Doug and Hennessy joins me.
Okay, my turn. I'm next. Everyone, this is Arabella from Canada, and she's going to show us what a giraffe sounds like. Giraffe, go!
Yeah!
Alrighty, my
That was probably the best show experience we've ever had. Right before we went, we were kind of getting ready to go in. We were parking our stroller, and somebody came and approached me and said, "Hey, are you guys gonna watch the show?" And I said, "Yes." And then they said, "Do you have a lightning lane booked? Because usually those people get in and get the best seats." And I'm like, "No." She's like, "Would you like priority seating?" And she walked us in. We skipped the entire line, walked us in, brought us to the front row, and then because of sitting in that reserved seating area, Arabella actually got picked to be a part of the show, which was such a really just a cool experience. And this is also one of our favorite shows. It just made it that much better.
Look, if this was not already my favorite show, that right there, Pixie Dust on top, made it everything. Oh my gosh.
Hacienda rope drop. Basically, we got to the park just after 7:30, And in that time, we were able to rope drop Navi River Journey, which we got done really quick. Got to Kilimanjaro Safaris before the line got super long and finished that up. And then headed over, we had some breakfast. We headed over to the first showing of the Festival of the Lion King and got in and out of that super quick. So now it's just past 10:30. The park's been open for a little while and people are, you know, the lines are getting longer, but we managed to do a lot in just the morning.
Yeah, and best way to finish this one off is book yourself your Lightning Lane for Flight of Passage at around 11. And now you've done 3 big you know, rides or attractions, and then the last one, Flight of Passage. Major one, you have the rest of the day to eat, to drink, to, you know, do some of the other things.
Yeah, do some of the jungle treks around the safaris and go like hang out and meet some characters, because they have some cool characters around here too.
Yep. All right. That's it from us for this rope drop at Animal Kingdom. We hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.
Well, if you made it till here, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more content just like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post all things food, family, fun, and travel, and would love for you to come along with us for the ride. We'll catch you in the next one.